Welcome to Matt's World and Matt's Snacks. We're checking out for the first time a premier 7-Eleven. So 7-Eleven set up a gas station with a nicer setup inside, a lot more items, as well as the restaurant, a sit-down restaurant and a patio. They have Roost chicken is the company for the fried chicken, and then they do sandwiches, hot dogs like normal, and then they have Parlor pizza, made to order pizza, which we're going to check it out.
Two thumbs up.
Oh, 2 thumbs up. All right. All right, let's check this chicken finger. Not processed meat. That's kind of.
I give it a 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10? Wow, nice. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like.